Prepare yourselves as we are about to reveal 11 profound tips on can openers for seniors. Let us embark upon your path to mastery, just at this very moment. Tip 1. Choose a comfortable grip. You may not think about the grip of a can opener initially, but for seniors, it's crucial. An uncomfortable grip can cause hand strain or require too much strength. Therefore, ensure that the can opener's grip is designed ergonomically with a large, non-slip, and rounded handle. Tip 2. Opt for an electric can opener. Electric can openers reduce the need for manual labor altogether. They do all the work for you, and all you have to do is press a button. For seniors with arthritis or limited hand dexterity, this is an ideal option. Tip 3. Look for can openers with a magnet. Some can openers come equipped with a magnet that holds the lid after opening. This ensures the lid doesn't fall into the can and eliminates the need to fish it out, reducing chances of cuts. Tip 4. Get a multifunction tool. Some openers are multifunctional and can be used to open bottles and jars as well. This feature can be particularly useful for seniors, reducing the number of tools they need to handle. Tip 5. Purchase a can opener with a smooth edge feature. Conventional can openers create a jagged, potentially dangerous edge when they cut. A smooth edge feature prevents this, ensuring the lid won't cut your hands. Tip 6. Make sure it's easy to clean. Hygiene is essential when dealing with kitchen tools, and can openers are no exception. Look for openers that are easy to clean, preferably dishwasher safe, as some seniors might find manual cleaning tiring. Tip 7. Look for a lightweight can opener. Heavier tools can cause strain to the user's hand and arm, making it difficult for seniors to use. A lightweight can opener is easier to maneuver and reduces fatigue. Tip 8. Choose a can opener with clear, easy-to-understand instructions. Complicated gadgets may get frustrating, especially for seniors. A simple, easy-to-use can opener with well-explained instructions will make their lives easier. Tip 9. Check the durability of the can opener. A well-constructed and durable can opener will mean fewer replacements and easier maintenance. Seniors would appreciate a product that remains reliable over time. Tip 10. Choose a well-known brand. Brands with a long history are often more dependable and trustworthy. They offer better customer service if you have questions or challenges, which is especially helpful for the elderly. Tip 11. Consider a portable can opener. For seniors who love traveling or going on picnics, a compact and light can opener can be an attractive option. It can easily fit into a bag or a picnic basket, giving them the freedom to dine anywhere.